Hello friends, welcome to the first video on the Passive Income Academy channel. Before we start with the video, I would like to wish you all a happy new year. Have a happy, healthy and always a year with a smile and spend the holidays in the best possible way with your loved ones. So let's start. Before we go through the content of the YouTube channel and what videos you can expect, I would like to introduce myself to you first and say a few important things. My name is Boris. I'm 27 years old and I graduated at the Faculty of Organizational Sciences. I also finished my master's studies at this university. I have my own company for website development and digital marketing. I'm one of the creators of the drop servicing business model that we will talk about in detail on the channel. I have over 400 successful students of my course on the Udemy platform. My majority of field is dropshipping, affiliate marketing, investments in stocks, and cryptocurrencies. I have a second YouTube channel which currently has about 3000 subscribers, where I speak in my native language and have my own educational platform where people can find everything about any online business model. Currently, the platform is only in the native language, but the plan for this year is to launch it in English as well. When the time comes, you will be notified in a timely manner. What made me open this channel? From an early age, I had a passion for educating my friends from primary school, high school, and college. I always liked to pass on my knowledge to people who wanted to listen, but I also accept any criticism and comments that would make the process better. On this YouTube channel, I want to reach as many people as possible and help them through my videos on effective ways to make money online, leave their jobs from 9 to 5 and gain their financial freedom. A lot of people like to know the schedule when videos will be released. The planned schedule for releasing the clips is Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. If there's sometimes no video for some good reason, you will be notified. What can you expect on the channel is also plenty of PayPal rewards and free courses, as well as bunch of free online content to earn from the warmth of your home. That would be all for this introductory video. In the following video, we will talk about my path to financial success, how I started, what I did and how much money I earned last year and how many different sources of income I had. Thanks everyone who watched this video. This is the beginning of an interesting and exciting adventure. If you want to be a part of it, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video because that way we will reach more people and help the YouTube algorithm to rank our video. Until the next video, big greetings from our YouTube channel. Cheers!